Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a time-lapse version of me creating this painting from start to finish. But if you want a full-length painting lesson, full explanation, normal speed, all the color mixtures, all the brush strokes, head on over to my website. Down in the link below, you can click on that link and you can watch part 1 and 2 for free right now. So if you want to go over, check that out. You don't have to sign up for anything. You don't have to sign up for any newsletters or anything like that. Just go over, watch part 1 and 2 for free. And then if you like the lesson, maybe you'll try it out. But for now, let's watch the time-lapse version.